Welcome back to my channel, Self Priyanka, and today we are again came with some new video. In last video we have received lots of sharing, love, comment. Thank you for that. So without any further ado, we'll start on today's tutorial. In last tutorial we have learned about summation, count and average, and in today's video we are going to learn minimum, maximum and sorting function. So without any further ado, let's get started.
In today's video, we will going to learn about minimum, maximum and proper function. So in our last video we have learned the summation, average and count. So basically minimum and maximum is also a very crucial function. Let's say here we have taken one spreadsheet where student name and their grand total marks is there. So if you have to prepare a report card and you need to just highlight the bottom quartile who has got least marks in among these 5 students. So what we need to do, either we have to check it manually, like this employee Shantan Das has got 59 marks, so we have to check it manually, and otherwise we have to apply a function. So instead of checking it manually, it will always better to use a function, because in this case we have only 5 student name, but in our daily life or in other case we'll have maximum of numbers available, let's say 100 or 200, then it will be difficult to identify which is the minimum and maximum. So to crop this problem, we're going to learn one very useful function, that is minimum and maximum today. Now we'll just start with the min function. So to just derive the minimum, we have 2 methods again. So first I'll just learn what is the function. By using one function, how we can derive the minimum value in one Excel sheet, in a spreadsheet. So the function, it is again a inbuilt function of an Excel. So the function called min. So here you can check min function. Excel is providing auto option of min function. Now if I give an open bracket, then again it will ask you to provide number. So here he's asking number 1, number 2 and so on. So first number, we have to actually put all the number, all the data range basically that we have in our this table. So the starting range will be again C3, cell number C3, and ending will be C7. Close bracket and enter. Just a moment, it's taking a bit time. So now we have used this minimum function, and here easily we have find the minimum number that is 59. So this is method 1. Now let's say I'll just make this few changes over this Excel table. Let's just change this number as 95, this as 60, this at 90. So now here you can check, like when I change the value of this particular grand total marks, in using this function we can easily find out the minimum value among this range is standard 60. So this particular cell value is given. Now what we can do, this is method 1. Now the method 2 will be simply a sorting. So sorting is also a very essential option whenever we are going to have minimum or maximum number. Especially in this particular table we have integer value available, and what we can do, we just filter this option, the header, and we can sort it. So how we'll sort, we just click on that drop down Here we'll click on this drop down, and here we'll have option like sort smallest to largest or sort largest to smallest. Now we have to take out the minimum value. So if you don't want to use min function, you can also do the same thing by using the sort method. So what we'll do, we'll just sorting smallest to largest. Here we have sorted it smallest to largest, and now it is also the first row, that is Rima Sen, got 60 marks. So that is the minimum value among these 5 row that we have in this particular table. So it is giving me a result in the very first row after header. So this is the method 2. So we'll just write down for our reference that minimum method 2 is just sorting. Integer value smallest to largest. So similarly again we'll just find out the vice versa, like minimum function we have learned. So instead of minimum function, if you don't want to use minimum function, we can also find out the minimum value in one particular table just using sorting function. Now similarly, if we want to just find out what is the maximum grand total marks among these 5 students, we can also use another function that is called max. So let's begin. Now in maximum function, it is also an inbuilt function. We have to just put equal to, then function name, that is max, then open bracket, and it will again ask us like number 1, number 2 and so on. So here we want to find the maximum value from this table only, so we'll just put starting range, colon, and the end range. End range will be C7 only. C7 is the cell address. Now we have easily find out the maximum value from this table, that is 95. So this is very easy function and very useful function for one spreadsheet, like especially in educational system when we need to prepare a report card, or in an employee database we need to identify the bottom quartile or the top quartile basis on the performance or some rating. So we can easily find out, and this function is very useful on this perspective. So similarly, the maximum method, if we don't want to use any function, then we can also use sorting method over here as well. In the earlier function, that what we did, we just take the filter out and smallest to largest. Here we'll do the vice versa, we'll just do largest to smallest. So largest to smallest, we have received the first row that is providing 95. So 95 is the value. So sorting integer value largest to smallest.
So guys, we have ended up with our basic function that we learned today's video tutorial. Hope we all enjoy it a lot, and these are very crucial functions. You can use it in everywhere, like be it in a student database, be it in an employee database, because everywhere we can use it. So please do subscribe to our channel, like us and share us as much as possible, and also comment us on our upcoming video tutorial what are the formulas you want to come up, want me to make on that. So, and this pandemic, stay home, stay safe. Bye.